Hello students, welcome to the channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th, where we discuss the NCERT back exercise solutions for all subjects physics, chemistry and biology. And today we are discussing a chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plants. That is your first chapter from class 12th NCERT book, right? And we have the 12th question in front of us. What do you think the zygote, why do you think the zygote is dormant for some time in a fertilized ovule? So they are basically asking कि जब एक ovule fertilize हो जाता है उसके बाद भी zygote, why does it remain in a dormant state? Why doesn't it do any activity or development for some time? So children, you need to understand here that जब first male gamete और एग सेल फ्यूज़ करते हैं तो क्या बनता है हमारे पास? जाइगोट इज फॉर्म्ड. You know that male gamete and egg cell are haploid, and when they fuse they form diploid cell, that is zygote. But in the second kind of fusion where second male gamete and two polar nuclei fuse, children, this is going to give rise to a pen, right? Pen, that is primary endosperm nucleus. I am writing here primary endosperm nucleus, which is a triploid structure, right? So this is just the nuclei fusing, but eventually it will develop into a structure PEC, that is primary endosperm cell, and ultimately it will give rise to a structure, a triploid tissue called endosperm, which is going to help in nourishment of developing zygote. तो ये basically जो endosperm बना है ये एक nutritive tissue है जो zygote को develop करने में help करेगा. It will provide food and it will help the zygote to develop into embryo. So basically children, zygote is dormant for a while because it is waiting for the endosperm to get formed first. Endosperm बनने की wait करता है because अगर endosperm बनेगा तभी ये zygote embryo में further develop कर सकता है. So that's why the zygote is dormant for some time in a fertilized ovule. So let's write this answer. Zygote is dormant for some time in the fertilized ovule, for some time in the fertilized ovule, because only after the development of, only after the formation of endosperm, only after the formation of endosperm by triple fusion, it can further develop into, zygote can further develop into embryo. Zygote can further develop into embryo. So I hope children this particular answer is clear to you now, that why does zygote remain dormant for a while in the fertilized ovule. So children, if you have liked the session, like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th. See you again in the next session.